Hi, welcome to an Autocad 2020 video tutorial. Now the roll bracket in Autocad. Again, very similar and again, very easy to do. So let's have fun with Autocad. Okay, let's start with some sketches. I need circles, so let's go for a circle. At 0, 0. And the radius should be 21. Then repeat that command and again it's 0, 0 and that diameter should be 16. Now I need a different sketch. I could, let's see how I should maybe go for top view like this. Okay, and yes, let's go for a line which could start at 0, 0, then go in that direction and that would be 55, then go up 5, let's see, snap like this, 5 in that direction, and in this direction 10. And then I need it to go with an angle, and that angle would be, the length could be very long, but I need an angle of 1 to 6 degrees. Okay. Now another line which starts at 0, 0 and goes up like this. Okay. Then I want to make a fillet. So go for, where is it? There is the fillet. And the radius should be 10. And it should go between this one and that one. Great. Now I want to make a polyline. Go edit. Go for p-edit. Select one. Enter join and select the others. This one, that one, this one. The line and that line, enter, enter, and that should be a polyline. Okay, now I want to rotate it and move it by 5 millimeters. So I want to rotate it in that direction. So activate those gizmos. Go for rotate gizmo. Select the profile. Yeah, but then I would have to move it, so let's rotate it. Where is my rotate command? 3D rotate, yes. And I want to select that polyline. And the base point would be 0, 0. And I want to rotate it around the red one, this one, yes, and that should be 90 degrees like that. Great. Now I want to move it in that direction 5 millimeters. So let's select the object, right click, base point would be 0, 0 again, and now snap if possible. Not possible. That's also low. Go for a trace and it should be 9. It should be 9. Okay. Now move it in that direction. again 0 0, and I want to go in this direction, and that would be 55 minus 10, 45. Now it should be in the right place. Great. Let's go for extrude and switch to a different layer, maybe to that layer. Okay, I want to extrude that circle in that direction, maybe 100. Great. Now switch the layer to maybe this one, and let's go for another extrude with that polyline. Right click, enter, and that should be maybe 50. Now I want to move it, this object, right click, base point could be this one, and I want to move it in that direction, 25 millimeters. Now let's go for an intersection, so go for Boolean operation, solid intersect. I want to intersect this one with that one. Enter. Okay, great. Now another extrude with the big circle, this one. Right click, enter in that direction, that should be 14. And another one, another extrude with the small circle, this one. Enter in that direction, 1 millimeter. Now I could make a union, or I could wait. Yeah, I could wait. So go for another extrude, again with that profile, right click, enter, and make it 32. Then move it. Base point could be again this one. Go for the trace, and that would be 16 millimeters. And now I want to make a union. So go for solid union, this one, that one, this one, and oh yeah, that one. So right now I got this one, and I want that one as well. How many I selected? 4. One is a duplicate. 1, 2, 3. So this one is not selected somehow. Let's try it in a different way. So go for union and just make a cross selection, and hopefully this one is also selected, and enter. So let's see if we got one solid. Yeah, great. Now go for the fillets. I need a radius of 5, and I want to make this edge, come on, this edge, that edge over here, and this one, and that one. Enter, preview, enter. Maybe hide that grid. Now another fillet. Go for a chain. Go for a radius of 5 again. And select this edge right here. And enter, enter. The last one. Now the fillet. with radius 1. Should be on this edge right here. Enter, enter. And now I could hide those sketches, at least for the moment. Now let's use the shell command. Maybe I should select it right here, like this. Now the faces I want to remove, that's one face, this one. This kind of hard to select sometimes. That's wrong. Not this one. So this deselected. This one, yes. And that one. This one. That one. This one. And that one. Should work. So enter. And it should be 2 millimeters. And enter. Nice. Now I could go for a rectangle, so maybe show the sketches. And that rectangle, yeah, maybe I should turn my axis system around the x-axis. So select it, go for, turn it around the x-axis. Now I need a rectangle, and that rectangle should be at I think that's -30, column 21, and it should be 10, column 5, and maybe move this one onto a different layer, onto the sketches layer. Now let's make an extrude with this one. Make it 50. Then move it. This could be the base point, yes, and try to go for the snap. No, doesn't work. Move this one. Maybe I could use that endpoint. I think that's it. And move it by 25. Okay. Now go for fillet. Radius should be 5. This one, not 5, but 2.5. This edge, that edge, and this one. And now I can remove this solid from the other one. So go for subtract. I want to subtract from this one. Right click that one. Right click. Great. Hide those sketches. And now I need a hole, and I will do that with a cylinder. So go for a cylinder, maybe go to a different layer, go to this one, go for a cylinder, and this center, the center of this one should be the center of that circle right here. Yeah, come on. Okay, so let's go for the center of face. No, the center of this one. Okay, radius should be 5 and the length might be 50. And now let's remove this one from that one. So go for subtract from this one, right click, that one, right click, and I'm done. So hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.